Have you ever thought about turning one simple story into two different income streams? Imagine creating a children's picture book that sells on Amazon KDP, while the very same story also generates views and income on YouTube. And the best part? You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to know how to draw. You don't even need expensive software or a production team. All you need is one AI tool and just a few clicks. Sounds impossible, right? Take a look at this. These children's books are generating thousands of sales every year on Amazon, and channels like Hoots and Tales and other kids' storytelling channels are pulling in huge numbers of views simply by turning stories into narrated videos. Now, with AI, you can create both at the same time in minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. The tool we'll be using is called ReadKidz. It helps you create storybooks, generate matching illustrations, produce narrative story videos you can upload to YouTube, and honestly, it's way easier than you think. Hey guys, I'm Nuli, and today we're diving into ReadKidz, an AI-powered platform that's changing the way people create stories. Whether you're a parent creating personalized bedtime stories, a teacher bringing lessons to life, or a content creator with big ideas but zero writing or drawing skills, this tool makes the entire process incredibly simple. All you do is enter a text description, and the AI can generate a full story with illustrations that match every scene. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive in.
The first thing you'll need to do is create a free account. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can follow along and test everything yourself. Once you log into ReadKidz, you'll land on the homepage, and right away, you'll notice how beginner-friendly everything is. They make it super easy to start creating your first book. And when you register, you'll instantly receive 1,000 free points. Plus, you can earn additional free points just by signing in daily. So even if you're brand new, you can start experimenting immediately.
If you scroll down a bit, you'll discover even more exciting features, including showcases of what you can create. You can see that each project includes both a video and a picture version. This means you can create a beautiful, captivating picture book for kids and also turn that same ebook into a narrated video, giving you two streams of passive income from one project. Super cool. This is the ReadKidz Monthly Contest Challenge. You can join right now for a chance to win free ReadKidz points. Here are the different drawing styles available for your projects. There are tons of amazing styles to explore. You also have the flexibility to select your preferred age range. And over here are the hot new releases. You can even use ready-made templates. There are so many great options to choose from. To start our creation, I'll come over here. Under Picture Book, I'll click on Inspire Creation. You have the option to either start from scratch with New Story or continue from an existing story. I'll click on New Story so we can create our story from scratch, and it brings us to this interface. Here, in this text box, you can paste a simple idea. For example, a brave girl who helped a mermaid on a riverbank and learned the true meaning of friendship. Over here, you can select the age range you prefer. I'll go with 4 to 6 years old. You can also choose the story type. Feel free to select whatever best fits your needs. I'll leave it at 16 to 9, then click Send. The AI instantly creates a full and very interesting story. You can read through it and add or remove anything you like. Once everything looks good, I'll click Extract Roles. It starts processing, and now we get to choose our preferred style. Under Official Styles, there's lots of options to choose from. ReadKidz offers over 100 different styles. I'll go with this one and click Next. Now it's time to create the character designs. This step helps keep your characters consistent across every page of the story. Depending on your story, you may get multiple characters. For my story, I got 2, Imogen and the mermaid. Click on each character and hit Generate. The AI gives you 4 design options per character. You can also click Edit Character to customize things like skin tone, hair color, facial features, and more. So I'll select this one, and the AI will automatically keep the character consistent throughout the book. Next, for the second character, the mermaid, I'll click Generate, and it creates several options as well. I'll choose the one I prefer, then click Next. Now it takes us to the storyboard, where you can see the draft for each page. You can also make edits here if you want. Next, it brings us to this section where you have even more control over how your book looks. This is the front cover. You can adjust the font size, reposition elements, or even edit the title. I'll click on the second page and hit Generate, and it creates the character. The same process applies to all the other pages. As you can see, each page comes with 4 different image options to choose from. You can also increase and adjust the text however you like. You can also use this really cool feature called Chat GPT to add or remove elements from your images. For instance, I want to add the girl under this tree. I'll click on Chat GPT, where you'll see options like Detail Adjustment and Add Elements. I'll be using the Add Elements. First, I'll save one of the girl's pictures as a reference image, upload it, and type, "Can you place her under the tree reading a book?" I'll hit Send, and boom, it adds her under the tree exactly as I prompted. So feel free to choose the images that best fit your story and customize the fonts, sizes, colors, and more until everything looks perfect. After all the visuals are done, you can add the voiceover by clicking on Audio. Here, you'll find all the available voice options. You can also click here to change the default voice. There are lots of voice styles to choose from.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike fun.
Hello, welcome to ReadKidz, a world full of imagination and childlike fun.
So feel free to preview them and pick the one that best fits your project. Once everything is set, hit Generate. Follow the same process to generate all your voiceovers. For extra touches, like background copyright-free music, come over here and click the music icon. You'll see different background music options available, and you can filter them by categories, like classical, lullaby, and more. Just choose the one you prefer. Once everything looks good, click Present to preview your ebook. Everything looks great. Now to export our picture storybook, I'll click this icon, come down here, and select Export PDF. While that's exporting, I'll come back here and click Generate Video. Rename it, then click Generate Video again. Here, you can choose any effect you like. I'll leave mine on Twinkle. For animations, there are plenty of cool options available, but I'll stick with Fade. I'll leave the other settings as they are, and click Generate. And just like that, our picture storybook is ready to be published on Amazon KDP. If you'd like me to make a full video showing how to upload it to Amazon KDP, let me know in the comments. Our video is also ready for YouTube. Let's preview it.
The Little Girl and the River's Secret. Along the gentle riverbank, where the daisies nodded in the sun and the summer air was sweet, lived a curious little girl named Imogen. She wore bright red boots, even in the warmth, so she could skip in mud and wade in puddles. Imogen's favorite place was under the big willow tree, where the river whispered stories only she seemed to hear. One afternoon, while searching for shiny stones, Imogen heard a soft splash plip-plop. She crouched low, heart thumping, and peered through swaying reeds. There, glistening just under the water, a shimmer of silver, a flick of a tail. Imogen blinked. She saw the gentle face of a mermaid, her hair tangled with waterweed, her eyes wide with worry.
View it. And that's it. To get started, click the link in my description. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.